Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this 1933 Plymouth PC Sedan from Matchbox. This is part of the MBX Rescue series, number 5 of 30. And it is also part of the 65th anniversary of Matchbox. So this is really cool, nice card art. And as you can see, this is a vintage police car. So it says on the side, Police Matchbox. It's got really cool vintage looking color paint and wheels. This is really cool, classic 30s car. So I think we'll open it up and get a better look. So here we have our 1933 Plymouth from Matchbox, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the side of this. So as you can see, it says Police Matchbox on the side, kind of a vintage looking police logo. The color of this car is brown, kind of tan brown, and it's not metallic, it's just kind of a flat color, which is cool. It's got a glossy clear coat, you can see though. It's got these kind of fleet hubcaps like you would see on a police car, so that's really cool. And then on the back it's also got a spare tire under a cover, which is good. It's really cool. The interior is pretty plain. It's hard to see in the video, but it's just a couple bench seats and it's black. Got the running boards down the side, which is nice. And the classic grille. There we go. So better look at that with the headlights on the fenders right here. Very cool. Chrome bumpers, chrome grille. And that long skinny hood. It looks really cool. I like this one. This is a nice new one that I didn't have before, and I'm happy to have this one in our collection. We'll take a closer look in a photo gallery. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you in the next video.